Good morning, everybody. Today I wanted to show you how to use one of our apps that we're going to be using in class. This is going to go along with our topic for the week whenever we are creating our own stories. The first thing that you're going to do is log in because we've already all created our accounts, and I'm going to show you how this works. So you're going to go over here and you're going to want to click on this new comic, and then you're going to give it a name. And as an example, I'm just going to say, going to the store. Once you've created the title, then it'll let you start creating the comic. So I'm going to the store, so maybe I'm going to choose something that looks like a store. To make it easy, we'll just choose this background here, like we're walking to the store. So first thing you have to do is choose the background. Then you can choose the characters that you want in the background. And if you're going to be in the story, you can just click on that handy button right there, me, insert yourself in there. And then if you also want, you can click on this button right here, change the way your outfit looks. And then if you want, you can also add other characters by pressing that add character button. And then maybe I'm going with my friend. So we're going to go to the store, and then I want to have an action. So maybe we're running to the store, and I can make her run, but she's facing the wrong way, so I can press that button and change the way she's running. So if you want to change any direction, you just press those buttons right there. And then you can either click this back button right here to go to the different characters, or you can just click on the character right there and press the action button, and you can change what they're doing. And you can make it to where she's running to. Now that you have them running, they kind of don't look that happy, do they? I'm going to go over here and change your expressions. So you can make them smile or have really any facial expressions. The ones with the lock symbols, you do have to have the upgraded version, but anything else you can use. And then I'm going to change her face. Now, kind of the most important part, how are we going to get them to say things? So to get individual people to say it, you can click right here on their name to add words. And then I can't wait to buy some ice cream. And just put that, click right there, you get a little caption. And then what if you're not trying to get somebody to say something and you just want to say something about the picture? You can add a caption, and then right here it gives you the option to add it to the top or to the bottom. So what you're going to do, we're going to click on the bottom because our caption bubble is already at the top, and say Celeste and Hannah are going to the store, period. Then you just press that button right there, and you can put the little caption at the bottom. And you also don't have to have a caption, but it is an option to have a caption if you want it. One last thing that I did want to show you is that you can change the pose, but if you click on this handy button right here, you can also add things into their hand. So it's a little limited, but you can add, like, if they're on their phone or something, or you wanted to add more than just their motion. And you can also change the hand, so it looks awkward that the phone is in that hand, but you could go over and then press the other hand and then add the phone in that hand so that it doesn't look super awkward. Oh, I put it in the same hand twice, but you understand what I'm saying. So that's the basics of it. If you need any more questions, just feel free to email me or ask me in class, but this is the basics of how we'll do everything. Thank you. Bye.